Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to mark answers as spam in WordPress quickly and efficiently. In this tutorial, you will learn how to manage unwanted responses in just a few simple clicks. To begin, open your web browser and head to the WordPress website. When the homepage loads, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen where you will see a login option. Once you click on the login option, you will be taken to a secure login interface. Here you have the opportunity to use a streamlined authentication process. Instead of manually entering your credentials, look for the button that offers continuation with Google. By selecting this option, your workflow becomes considerably faster. The moment you click on the Continue with Google button, a prompt appears asking you to choose your preferred account. Simply select the account you wish to use, and the platform will authenticate you automatically in a safe and efficient manner. After successfully logging in via Google, you will arrive at your WordPress dashboard. In this familiar space, navigate your way to the section labeled Feedback. This section is specifically designed to host user responses and submissions, allowing you to easily review and manage them. Click on the feedback area, which will open up a page listing all recent responses that have been submitted by your website visitors. On the feedback page, you will find a list of responses accompanied by checkboxes. These checkboxes are your first tool in managing the feedback you deem inappropriate. Carefully review the list of responses and select the checkboxes next to the entries that you intend to mark as spam. This action effectively flags them so that they are ready for bulk management. Once you have selected the responses, move on to the next part of the process. Look for the Bulk Actions drop-down menu, which is usually located above or near the list of responses. When you click on this drop-down, a range of options will appear that allow you to perform actions on all selected items at the same time. From the available options, choose the one that instructs you to mark as spam. This option is specifically designed to help you quickly manage and filter out unwanted feedback from your website. This method of using bulk actions not only saves time but also helps maintain the overall quality and relevance of the content on your site. By following these steps, from logging in with Google, navigating to the feedback section, selecting the checkboxes for the problematic responses, and finally using the bulk actions menu to mark them as spam, you ensure a smooth and efficient experience. Enjoy the simplicity and effectiveness of this process in keeping your website's engagement meaningful and free of spam.